Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see how to create database relationships in Django. So let's get started. So we'll open our code, and here in the previous video we had just completed this whole setup and we had created models. So now we are going to establish relationship between the two tables here. So in our models.py file you have created the blogs model here. So here, in order to establish the relationship, we need two models here. So first I'll create another model here called the blog category. So I'll give blog category, and here models dot model, and here we'll just keep two fields. So that will be the category title, or let's give category name, and this will be the char field. So I'll remove this, and max length I'll keep to 191. Okay, and null equals to true. So here, and one more thing, we can keep this created at field so that we can track when it was created. Okay, so okay, I just misspelled it. So now this looks fine. So now we are creating the relationship of this table in this. So which category does this blog belong to? We have to save it here. So before the title, just give category. So you don't have to mention it category ID, because it will by default mention it as category ID in the database. So here just give models dot foreign key, and in this you have to pass two parameters. That is, first parameter is you have to first pass the model name, comma, and on delete what action has to happen, that null. Okay, and here you can give null equal to true. Okay, so I was just showing an error. Set null. Okay, so this should work. So here we have set the category of this thing over here. So now we have to register it in the admin.py file. We have created this new model here. Copy and go to admin.py file, and have to add it here. I'll just copy and paste here. Okay, so this shows an error because you have not imported it. So let's import that here. Okay, so it's imported now. Close the admin.py file. Now we can apply the migrations here. So py manage.py make migrations, hit enter, and you can see it is migrated here. So now we will just migrate it to the actual database. Manage.py migrate, hit enter, and give it a moment, it will just create. Okay, so it is created. So you can just verify it if you want in your admin thing. So here just copy and paste it /admin. Okay, so here you can log in and you can check. So first run the server, py manage.py run server, enter, and now reload the page. You can see your output. So username and password, login, and you can see your blogs category is here and your blogs is here. Okay, so you can see add blogs. You have option of selecting from the category because you had set it to the foreign key, and the title and description along with that. Okay, so here you can see blog categories. So we'll add one blog category over here. We'll keep electronics, save, and here it shows blog category object 1. So let us go to the models.py and just paste this here also. So here we'll just return the name. Okay, so name self.name. So what it does is it will just return this name wherever we are viewing it. So we are viewing it here. You can see electronics is added. Just add one more. So this will be on social. Save and add another. This will be politics and save. So now you can go to your blogs, and when you add a blog, you have an option of selecting here. So I'm adding under electronics, so you can give mobile phones, description, this is a good phone, and you can save. So it will save along with the category ID. So in this video we have seen how to establish the relationship from one table to another table in Django. So this is many to one relationship, or you can also call it one to many relationship. So in the next video we will see how to render those things in the template here from the database to the template. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you once again.